Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to plot a line in Mathematica. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you'd like to show some sort of demonstration or a plot with a line, so I'll be showing you how to plot a line in Mathematica today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I am just going to zoom in a bit so the code is easier to see. And this is fairly simple. All you're going to do is use the plot function, and inside your square brackets, the function that you're plotting is going to be an basic y equals x line, and I'm just going to put the range. So let my x go from -1 to 1, and if I plot that, there we have it. I have a line in Mathematica, and you can obviously adjust this to be as steep or as narrow as you'd like. And there you have it, guys. If you wanted to know how to plot a line in Mathematica, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.